Today I would like to discuss a really important topic, that is risk management systems for so-called artificial intelligence systems. If you are using machine or deep learning systems, you are probably aware that there are a lot of risks that are not, let's say, typical for the traditional IT systems. For example, when you are using machine learning, you may be exposed to unwanted bias risks, data sourcing risk, lack of AI expertise, and also, for example, lack of explainability of your model. This is quite important, especially for the regulated sectors such as financial sector. This is why you have to manage your risks, the risks you are exposed to, appropriately. This is why your risk management system have to be written down in a form of procedures, policies, bylaws, and other documents that may be important. Also, instructions for your risk managers, for example. When it comes to the steps you have to undertake to ensure that you are duly protected from the risks, the first step will be identification of the risk you are exposed to. The second step would be assessment and the evaluation of the risks. Based on this exercise, you will be able to, let's say, give appropriate level of the risks that you are exposed to. For example, low, medium, or high. Also, you can use any other grades you would like to. The third step would be to implement appropriate measures that are tied to relevant risks, the levels of the risk that you are exposed to. This is not the last step you will have to undertake within the risk management systems, because at the end you will also need some kind of remedies, some tools that you will be that will give you a chance, opportunity to let's say get back to the past. So this is how it looks like when it comes to the risk management systems. But of course, it is just a really short and brief information about that. When it comes to the legal and regulatory environment, we are still developing legal acts. For example, the AI proposal that will be binding for all the European Union countries. And if you would go to the Article 9, which is quite important from the perspective of this legal act, you will see a lot of requirements that that will be imposed on the many entities that are using high-risk AI systems when it comes to the risk management systems. So this is the end, and in the next video I would like to tell you something about the data management. This is the part of AI and data governance, and this is quite important topic for all the organizations that are extensively using data, not only personal data, but data in general. So let's catch up in a few weeks. See you again.